Yep. Oh, I found the better
We
RPG.
don't judge here. We judge everybody. Therefore, we cannot be racist if we're judging everybody.
Yeah.
So what's in here? Anything good?
I need ammo.
Map?
You want a Titan MPRL compact?
You know what? I'll take it just for the laws of it.
Okay. Oh, I found a suppressor for my gun.
For what? For what?
For 6.5.
7.62 is mine.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, another RPG missile.
Is there any yellow compact?
It's in the big crate.
Oh, I'll take it.
Yeah, there you
Yeah,
go.
I'll take that.
Stop switching weapons, goddammit.
Arian doesn't get weapons.
Okay, so
Yes.
RPG loaded? Yeah, it's loaded.
Hello? Yes, this is Dog. Oh, there's another RPG ammo in here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which one?
In the one that I just took the MPL out of.
Oh, the... okay.
The bomb, bomb one.
No, it's Titan.
Ba 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 ba. No,
That's-
it's
that's-
RPG.
Titan AT missile.
What?
Yeah,
I have
you-
the Titan AT. That's what I have right now.
Yeah, you can carry more than one.
There's only one left in there.
Exactly, that's yours.
I took the only one that was here.
Well, dupe
Stop.
glitch, dupe glitch.
Stop.
Let's just leave it at that.
Down. There's more RPG ammo out here.
Oh, okay.
It's in a bag.
Oh, it's in a bag.
In a bag it.
Where is this bag?
Out here. Popping smoke. Popping smoke. Like
I see.
tactical smoke.
I see it. Thanks. Wouldn't have found it without your smoke.
Welcome. Kid smoking is good for you. Not.
Oh,
Horrible.
it's just another RPG. Damn it.
It's another RPG and check the bag. Check the bag.
Oh shit! It's the snipers again.
Oh.
It's those damn kids again.
Oh. Wow. They actually
Soldier,
got.
200 meters south.
I don't even
Okay.
know where they are. I
Ah,
don't care.
goddamn.
Get to the car.
Man, 200 meters south.
Oh, you're all
Aaron.
fucked. I'm driving.
We're gonna leave without you. I should drive. Get out of there.
Alright, you can drive. Go ahead. I don't care. Don't kill us.
I'm pretty sure the snipers are doing that already, so you don't have to worry.
Okay.
Arian.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh well.
Grid 0, 6, 3,
No hope
0,
for the
5,
loss.
5. Awaiting orders.
Oh
shit.
Oh nope.
Leave.
That's
Leave.
called a nope.
Just leave.
That's called a nope.
Just goddamn leave.
A land of
I
nope,
don't
and we
like
find
this.
it in the country of nope. Hey guys. Oh, hey Arian.
Get in.
Hi.
That is a manly horn. Okay, bye.
I'm out.
Are you gonna get in?
leaving.
Are you gonna... No? Okay.
Bus is leaving, mother trucker. Took off the
Are
road.
you... Oh, goddamn. Oh, he's
Let's
cold.
go.
He's cold. He has his... Oh my god, it's disgusting.
Ew, he's got a hard on.
No, he's goddamn cold. He's like... Oh my god, his neck.
Turkey?
Be advised. Low fuel.
I don't want to... I
Oh,
don't want to
fuel.
look
What are you
at
talking
it.
about?
Bingo
Hey, everybody
fuel.
out! Everybody out!
Oh, it's time to fight? Okay.
Running low on ammo.
Video.
Oh, goddamn. Oh,
They blew
goddamn.
themselves up. That was funny.
Hey, it's like they had suicide vests, but they didn't.
It's kind of like they failed at life. Oh wait, they did.
That's why they're in the Spetsnaz.
Don't loot his body. I'm taking everything he has.
Nope. I already took a flare. Sorry.
Oh my god. You know what? I need a new body.
Took a flare again.
Stop it.
Taking all the
I
flares.
need ammo.
I need my sniper rifle. Where could it be?
It could be butthole. Oh, I found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Where is it?
Over here. Over here. Popping smoke.
I need ammo.
That's not my sniper rifle. That's a 50 cal.
Well, you know what? Beggars can't be choosers, and
Running
you're
low
a
on
beggar.
ammo.
So
Yes,
I'm
I
out.
can. I can choose whatever I goddamn want to choose.
choose the
Running low on
stars.
ammo.
Dirty ape.
Oh yeah, who needed Stanag? I mean MX ammo.
Not me.
Okay.
Who's telling me? I need the 7.62.
Oh yeah,
So
you need
when y'all find that, then I will be happy to take your stuff.
Wait, why? What do you have?
I have the Zephyr.
Oh yeah. I forgot about
I
that.
have their machine gun.
Oh, so you need like a
Nah.
fucking box then.
That would be Correcto Mundo.
Micha.
What?
My name
There's 408 mags in here.
That's for your gun.
That's where is it? It's
I
around
found
here
another-
somewhere.
I found another 50 cal up here.
What's
that
a
it?
gun?
That's it, Max. This is it. I found it, and there's 6 point. No, that's not right.
The GM6 up here, another sniper with ammo for it. Arian, you probably want that. Or you want...
No,
you know,
I'm taking this
I don't care
thing.
what you want.
Taking this thing. I can't pick it up. There we go. So
We
beautiful.
could be the
Ariel,
elite
good
sniper
gun.
squad if I took this gun right here.
Yes. Arian, you are using an MX, right?
Nope.
Yeah, I already have this gun.
Yeah,
No,
he's
do you want ammo for it though?
I'm using the GM6 links.
Oh.
I'm the
You're
only guy
also
with a regular gun.
Yeah, you're gonna be
I'm gonna be the guy who saves you from anybody who gets close.
yeah, pretty much.
Like... Oh, we got more stuff here. Oh, a helmet for me? How
Oh,
nice.
I need clothes, I need clothes.
You need
I need ammo.
Of course you
Taking them
do.
off.
Oh, I'm taking a mine detector. Oh, okay, yeah, fine. Take the whole entire fucking backpack.
Freaking fatty.
Fucking fat ass.
Can someone
now.
put back my harness? Cause it had my ammo in it. Oh,
Nope.
I found it.
Down.
Yeah, about that.
Come here.
What?
Bag.
Oh, but what?
Blow us up. It's okay, it's okay. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hello. How
Get
you
to the
doing?
car.
Let's go to the car. Come on.
We've
go, let's
got
go.
a lot of stuff to see today.
Rise
Yeah.
and shine.
Rifle.
have to-
100
Where
meters
are we
south.
going today?
Oh,
We're
south.
going to hell. Right on the magic
out.
school bus. Dun-dun.
God damn it! Hang on. There we go.
Magic school bus, guys. Everybody pile on. Okay, where are we going?
Let's go to Disney World. I want to go there. Haven't been there in a while.
Disney World is mine. All the hell. So, out of the
No.
question. Sorry.
Okay, if you have one Disney World, we'll just go to the one in California.
Oh,
Yeah,
I have a
from
great
California,
idea.
We have to get to the airfield. So,
Let's go to the airfield then.
Let's go to the airfield.
Can we go to a
Okay.
minefield? That sounds
We
like
went
fun.
to Jared.
Let's do that.
About that, let's just go to Kill Farm. How about that? That sounds fun. Kill Farm?
Yeah, the
Sounds-
farm.
sounds fun to
Okay.
you?
Okay, sure.
Let's
You know
go.
what? You don't like it? Too bad.
I like
It's
it.
Frizzle is in control of the bus now.
God damn it.
Frizzle says you're going to hell.
Well, at least you haven't
Damn
broken a
it.
wheel yet. Like, I'm
Hey,
prone
I'm a
to.
good driver.
You guys gonna wanna go party?
We're already in,
Wanna go party?
Burger
Party.
King.
Oh fuck, who was that?
Not
Uh-oh.
me.
I heard a machine gun.
That was the
Hold
smoke
it.
screen if you look behind you.
Oh, was it?
I
Oh,
popped the smoke screen.
silly me.
Just like that pop here. But
I pretended.
Charizard. use
Perfect
fire.
English. I
RP.
pretended.
and RP. You're bad RP.
Oh shit.
Fine.
Are we fine?
We're fine.
We're going
No, we're
around.
not.
Going around the world.
Oh.
80 days. What just flew off our car? Tell me.
I think we need to change oil.
Oh, nope. We don't care.
No, I think the transmission fluid is running a little low.
Don't care.
No?
No.
Are you sure? I mean, are you sure? I'm hearing the.
It's running, so I don't care. Fine.
I don't know.
Car,
The gears could use some
We're in the
tinkering.
future. We don't have transmission fluid.
I think we need a bigger engine.
Yeah, we need
I think we need rockets and nitrous on them.
no, we just need a
that's for
we
women.
need a 6-liter
No.
V8 Hemi
No.
V8 from
I
a
think we need a monster truck.
okay. with a
You can run
6
over
liter,
the,
that could work. That could work.
other
Yeah.
cars.
with a 6 liter V8 Hemi,
All leather seats and
yeah,
heated leather seats.
and with a quad minigun gunner seat with
Oh,
lasers.
no,
with lasers.
no.
Just like Blood Dragon.
No.
Oh my god. Fucking
Na, na, na,
miniguns.
na, na.